what's up with YouTube takers are not here today. Tonight, really, it is, it's 10:31 p.m. and I just got back from a very long day of nerding out with my friend and his friends, so, yeah, before I post my 110 review of your Reigns, I need to rewatch because it's all kind of blurry to me. I was probably listening to sleep for half the episode, so yeah. But before that, I got something in the mail today. Alright. Today I'm opening up the Card Buddyfight Ace Triangulum Galaxy Start Deck. This is Subaru's main deck. Who's one of the main characters on the show. Now, this came when I was away, so I was able to record the video right now. And so I was away nerding out with my friend and his friends. So that's everything out of the box. Oh yeah, this is fun. This is really fun to look at. There's the plastic casing on. Parts of plastic casing. Here's the deck with Rainbow Wings Cross Astrologia. And then, yes, this is a Star Dragon World deck. So what we got? Let's see what we got. We got, of course, a life counter. A deluxe playmat. Here we got a little reference guide. Very cool. Now let's take a look at the deck. I don't want to use my knife. Exact knife because it might cut the card. Oh, looks like my dad's back of a card. It's the flag card. Way to go, me. I'm an idiot. So anyway, back to the deck. We're going to cross out Shalagia. 4 of him. So we got 5 of him. That's weird. Triangulum Dragon Bend. 1, 2, 3 of him. Guard Dragon Canton. 1, 2, 3 of him. Triangulum Dragon Pellet. 1, 2, 3 of him. Govern Star Dragon Fountain. 1, 2, 3 of him. Certified Dragon Sinister. 1, 2, 3 of him. Certified Dragon Cotis. 1, 2, 3, 4 of him. Sigh! Out! Certified Dragon Barlet. 1, 2, 3 of him. Edict. Divination. 1, 2, 3 of that. Just a second. That stupid cat. Sorry about that, guys. Notice defensive battle. 1, 2, 3, 4 of that. Notice enhancement tactic. 1, 2, 3 of that. Mars Barrier. Nullify the attack with a link attack. So 1, 2, 3, 4 of that. And then Seer Tool Star Pendulum. 1, 2, 3, 4 of that. Seer Tool Arcana. 1, 2 of that. Before I forget. That's what it looks like. And finally, the Impact, which we have 4 of, which is Shining Tri-Star. Merely cast this card if you have 3 life or less. You have an Astro Dragon monster on your center, left and right. Left and an Astro Dragon item equipped. Deals 3 gauge. Deals 3 damage, and pay 2 gauge. And yeah, the flag. So yeah. So as you guys know, I did unsleeve my Deity deck. So I do have some sleeves available for it. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. As always, I'll have another video coming out Friday, possibly, depending on what time I get home. So I got another one coming. It's the third and final start deck. Spiral Wing Dragon Order, so don't forget to do it for that one. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you next time. Peace.